Hello, my name is Jeff Daniel, founder and practitioner of holistic solutions at truepathtohealing.com. Today I want to discuss my brand new transformational Arthro-Restore system. If you or a loved one suffers from some form of arthritis, you're going to want to stick around for this message. It's no secret degenerative illnesses like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis are on the rise. In fact, 23% of all adults in America, almost a quarter of the entire US population, suffer from some form of arthritis. Not to mention, 75% of Americans suffer from some form of back pain. The good news is, I'm here to tell you, your condition does not have to be a life sentence. I've personally overcome my own pain, as well as the pain of countless others. I suffered for years with arthritis in the form of lower back pain before finally achieving lasting relief. After my success and the repeated success of so many of my clients, I knew I had to make my system available to as many people as possible at the most affordable price possible. Mind you, this system is the same step-by-step program I offer my clients in my personal practice. My Arthro-Restore system comes equipped with everything you need, including my 6-week meal plan, recipes, grocery lists, and clinical grade supplements. This makes following the program a breeze. It's essentially like having me right there with you, guiding you every step of the way. Now you may be asking yourself, how is this program for people who suffer from both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis? Truth be told, both conditions largely have the same underlying cause. Virtually every disease, no matter its symptomology, is a result of two root causes: toxicity and deficiency. And arthritis is no exception. The answer to arthritis is a total body cleanup, a complete overhaul of one's bodily health and lifestyle. If you remove your body's toxicities and restore your body's deficiencies, you can recover your health. Now that we've established this basic foundation, let's go over how my Arthro-Restore system uses a 3-pronged approach to recover your health and stamp out arthritis once and for all. Step 1 involves cleaning house. That is, cleaning up your joints of toxins and parasites. Toxins in the form of pesticides, microplastics, heavy metals, solvents, and benzene can disrupt your immune system, allowing inflammatory microbes in the form of parasites, viruses, bacteria, and fungus to infiltrate your joints, causing pain and inflammation. First and foremost, my program targets and expels these unclean and unseen invaders from your body, leaving you refreshed and renewed. Step 2 involves cleaning up your diet and restoring nutritional deficiencies. Inflammatory foods in the form of gluten, casein, and nightshades can be difficult for your body to digest, as well as contain certain compounds that can aggravate arthritic pain. And when combined with disruptive toxins in your body, they can cause your immune system to go haywire. Eliminating these trigger foods until you're finished detoxing is an essential step to acquiring lasting relief. Another important factor related to your diet is your pH level, or the acid to alkaline balance of your body. Most people with arthritis symptoms are consuming too much phosphorus and too little calcium, tipping their body towards a state of acidity. Since phosphorus and calcium compete for absorption, this leads to a calcium deficiency, which in turn causes your body to leach calcium from your bones to buffer your body's acidity. The calcium that's mobilized from your bones ends up being deposited elsewhere, often in the form of arthritic deposits, otherwise known as bone spurs. By restoring your calcium to phosphorus balance, My Arthro-Restore system can combat existing bone spurs as well as the formation of future ones. The final step to my program, step 3, addresses the third cause of arthritis, which are repetitive strain injuries. As the name implies, these injuries result from repeated movement patterns, which overstrain your joints. Repeated strain injuries are often caused by improper exercise, poor posture, daily habits, and a poor office setup. My Arthro-Restore system brings awareness to the daily habits that could be contributing to your pain and provides solutions on how you can mitigate, if not outright eliminate, these habits in exchange for healthier ones. Now that we reviewed the underlying causes of arthritis and how my Arthro-Restore system addresses each one of them, let's dive into the formulas included in the program. Formulas that are designed to fight inflammation, detoxify your body, and support healthy joint mobility and function. First up to bat is Paragard, a potent blend of antimicrobials designed to destroy the inflammatory microbes that contribute to arthritic pain. Working in tandem with Paragard to tag team those pesky parasites is Serratia, which contains serrapeptase, the world's most powerful proteolytic enzyme for breaking down the protective biofilms that microbes use to shield themselves from your immune system. Moving on to toxin elimination, we have Liver Detox, a synergistic blend of herbs and nutrients designed to aid the detoxification process by supporting healthy liver function, so that harmful toxins can be neutralized before being excreted by your kidneys and bladder. Coming in right behind Liver Detox, we have our kidney bladder formula. Over the years, our kidneys become overwhelmed and weakened due to common pollutants and hardened mineral deposits in the urinary tract. This formula restores kidney and bladder health so your body can maintain normal fluid balance and cleanse itself of the metabolic wastes that hinder your health. Now let's move on to formulas that provide your body the raw materials it needs to support joint repair. First on the menu is Arthread Collagen Formula. Collagen is a vital nutrient that the standard American diet lacks. It is, however, essential for healthy hair, skin, nails, and most importantly, connective tissue. Without healthy connective tissue, you cannot have healthy joints, which is precisely why this formula is included in the repertoire to support optimal joint health. Following the collagen formula is Joint Complex, a powerful formula designed to support joint mobility, comfort, and lubrication by combining ingredients that operate as cartilage building blocks and anti-inflammatories into one convenient once daily capsule. Now to support your calcium to phosphorus balance and combat bone spurs, we have liquid calcium magnesium, which provides a 2-to-1 ratio of calcium to magnesium, allowing for proper absorption of both minerals. Sweetened with an orange vanilla flavor, it also contains vitamin D3 and boron for added joint support. Last but certainly not least is Prescribed Choice Pea Protein, an all-natural, hypoallergenic, vegetable-based protein powder to support joint and muscle recovery without promoting inflammation, which can be caused by egg and dairy-based proteins. This tasty, energizing, vanilla-flavored protein shake serves as the breakfast smoothie of your daily meal plan for the duration of the program. I'm sure you'll find them as satisfying as I do, as I personally look forward to waking up and enjoying them every morning. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the Holistic Solutions Arthro-Restore system. Don't wait another moment to reclaim your health and finally start living life on your terms. Take your first step today and enroll in my Arthro-Restore system to embark on a true path to healing.